Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your headphones Bowers and Wilkins. Firstly, you have to put your headphones to the charging case, then close the case, open it again, and now test it. Maybe it fixed, but if it doesn't, open the application. Now it should connecting. Now scroll down and click on Factory Reset. Reset now. Done. After that, click Add Product. Click on your headphones. Touch one of the buttons. OK. Select. Done. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.